Amazon Prime Big Deal Days are almost here, and Prime members can score huge discounts on everything auto enthusiasts could want. In this video, we will show you some Amazon Prime Day deals. Let's get started. Introducing the odbowuge cup holder extender. Installation is a breeze. Simply twist the top to expand or retract the base. This upgraded model expands to fit cups up to 4.4 inches in diameter. Its strong suction power comes from a 3-ring expandable base, ranging from 2.5 to 3.75 inches, ensuring a secure fit in most cylindrical cup holders, regardless of terrain. This adapter accommodates a wide range of containers, from coffee cups and baby bottles to handled mugs and large drink bottles of 24 to 64 ounces. This car slime effortlessly picks up dust, debris, crumbs, and pet hair from the tiniest crevices. Using it is a breeze. Simply push the gel into cracks and watch as it pulls out the grime. It's ideal for keyboards too. Press, pull, and see the dust disappear. This versatile gel works on all devices and surfaces, except carpets. Use it multiple times until it darkens, then store it in its jar in a cool place. Made from high-tech material with a fresh ocean scent, this sticky gel traps dust without clinging to your hands. Crafted from premium, thickened plastic, these hooks are designed to handle your everyday car storage needs. Transform your car's headrest into a versatile storage space. Hang groceries, handbags, umbrellas, water bottles, and more, keeping your car floor and seats clutter-free. Installation is a breeze with these S-type hooks. No tools required. Simply clip them onto your headrest bar without removing it. It's effortless, one-handed operation. This universal fit comes in a pack of 4, compatible with most cars, SUVs, and trucks. This 4-in-1 charger features both USB-A and USB-C ports, compatible with a wide range of devices. Its built-in voltage monitor ensures efficient, safe charging with multiple protection features. Experience the convenience of retractable cables, extending up to 80 centimeters and automatically retracting for tidy storage. No more tangled cords in your car. This versatile charger supports multiple fast charging protocols, including PD and QC 3.0, compatible with the latest iPhone, Samsung, Google Pixel models, and more. Introducing the LISEN 3-in-1 car phone holder. This kit includes 2 bases, a suction cup, and an air vent hook clip, offering multiple mounting options on your dashboard, windshield, or air vents. For dashboard or windshield mounting, simply apply the reinforced bottom pad, attach the holder, and press to secure. For air vents, just clip and twist to lock in place. Enjoy full adjustability with 2 knobs controlling angle and length, plus a 270-degree rotating ball joint. Position your device for optimal viewing and safe navigation. This carrier features 10 reinforced adjustable straps and a free anti-slip mat, ensuring stability even at high speeds or on bumpy roads. A security lock adds protection against theft. Boasting 21 cubic feet of space, this 52 by 40 by 18-inch roof bag accommodates 6 to 8 suitcases, tents, sleeping bags, and more. Free up your vehicle's interior for a more comfortable journey. Compatible with any car, truck, or SUV, it easily attaches to your roof rack or secures with 6-door hooks in minutes. This mat guarantees consistent vehicle placement, protecting your car, garage, and belongings. Choose from black, yellow, or red to match your style. Designed for ease of use, it features 2 tire bumps, a small one to signal you're on the mat and a larger one to stop your vehicle. Made from durable rubberized plastic, it outlasts the competition. Simply align the mat, peel off the anti-skid tape, and press down. The secure placement ensures it stays put. At 11 inches wide and 21.5 inches long, this versatile mat fits all passenger vehicles, from sedans to RVs and even riding mowers. Crafted from ultra-breathable 3D bright silk material, these covers keep you comfortable year-round, insulating against summer heat and winter cold. Designed to fit 95% of car seats, the unique bottom elastic and close design ensure a snug fit on various vehicle seat sizes. The full wrapped edge provides superior protection and a sleek, original seat look. Safety is paramount with these covers. The non-slip bottom, made of high-grade suede fabric, keeps the cover securely in place. The design retains access to safety belt locks and doesn't interfere with airbag deployment. This extra-large organizer is designed to fit SUVs, cars, trucks, Jeeps, and minivans, making it a versatile addition to any vehicle. Crafted from premium, eco-friendly Oxford polyester, this organizer is built to last. It's water-resistant, abrasion-resistant, and features reinforced stitching in high-wear areas, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily use. With its rigid base plates and center, this organizer maintains its shape even when empty. The innovative design includes a clip-and-hold subdivider, a middle subdivider, and 4 removable subdividers for customizable organization. Crafted from premium PU leather and adorned with sparkling rhinestones, this cover combines luxury and functionality. Each diamond is securely fixed in a silver metal frame, ensuring durability and a comfortable, non-slip grip. Designed to fit most vehicles, this 14.5 to 15-inch cover is easy to install and suitable for 95% of cars. The anti-slip rubber points on the inside provide added safety while driving. More than just a pretty accessory, this cover helps relieve driving fatigue. The sparkling rhinestones gently massage your palms, adding comfort to your journey. This 2-in-1 tool fits conveniently on your keychain, providing peace of mind for you and your family on every journey. Designed to tackle critical situations like rollovers, electrical failures, car fires, floods, and sinking vehicles, the resqme is your go-to safety companion. Featuring a razor-sharp stainless steel blade, it swiftly cuts through jammed seatbelts with a quick diagonal slice. The solid, spring-loaded window breaker effortlessly shatters tempered glass side windows. Just aim for a corner for optimal results. Keep your vehicle tidy with the versatile HOTOR Car Trash Can. This accessory features an adjustable strap, allowing easy attachment to front or back headrests or the center console for convenient access. Its collapsible design adds to its functional appeal, adapting to your space needs. Equipped with 4 magnetic snaps, replacing trash bags is a breeze. Simply unsnap, replace the bag, and snap shut. It's that easy. The durable, leak-proof inner lining prevents spills and makes cleaning a cinch. But this bin isn't just for trash. Use it as a storage solution for cups, toys, or other items. Protect your vehicle in all seasons with the YIKICHII Car Cover, designed to fit cars up to 181 by 72 by 67 inches. This durable, water-resistant cover features a soft, non-woven inner layer that's gentle on your car's paint while providing effective protection against dust, rain, snow, UV rays, fallen leaves, and bird droppings. Built to last, this premium cover maintains its quality for a full year without cracking. A driver's side zipper allows easy access to your vehicle, while color-matched stitching and reinforced bottom belts ensure a secure, double-protected fit. This premium cover combines security with convenience, featuring a professional-grade construction of FRP and aluminum panels reinforced with an internal honeycomb structure. Capable of supporting an impressive 400 pounds, it ensures your cargo stays protected from theft and damage. Built to withstand the elements, this durable tonneau cover offers superior resistance against tears, water, and high temperatures. Say goodbye to worrying about heavy rain, snow, or dust damaging your cargo. This cover keeps your truck bed dry and secure in even the harshest weather conditions. Protect your Toyota 4Runner's cargo space with the custom-fit powoq trunk mat, specifically designed for 5-seater models from 2010 to 2024. This precision-engineered mat is tailored to perfectly match your vehicle's trunk dimensions, providing optimal coverage and protection. Crafted from premium TPE material, this durable trunk mat delivers long-lasting performance while maintaining its shape. The high-quality construction ensures it stands up to daily use while keeping your original carpet pristine. This advanced ceramic coating hydrophobic spray combines a waterless wash, protective coat, and brilliant shine in one convenient product. Say goodbye to time-consuming car care routines and hello to effortless brilliance. This gentle yet effective ceramic car coating delivers a clean, showroom-worthy finish while preserving your vehicle's paint integrity. Watch as dirt, grime, and grease disappear instantly, revealing your car's true beauty. Versatility meets excellence with this ceramic wax that's safe for all surfaces. Diagnose your vehicle with confidence using the MOTOPOWER Car OBD2 scanner, your comprehensive solution for engine diagnostics. This multi-function code reader comes equipped with a built-in DTC lookup library, empowering you to decode check engine lights, read and erase codes, and access vital vehicle data, including speed, engine temperature, and real-time performance curves. Whether you're working on domestic or imported vehicles with OBD2 and CAN systems, this tool has you covered.